Greetings everybody, how are you doing today? Today is 13th of August, Friday, and of course for Fridays it's usually known as profit taking day. And yesterday for the US dollar, it was rather weak, it was rather dull, no movement, no momentum, no life whatsoever for the US dollar. But notwithstanding, we had the GBP USD which seemed to have taken a beating yesterday. And upon checking, this was not based on the USD, but rather if you check other pounds, like the pound JPY, somebody said we should be checking pound JPY as well for analysis. You can see that the pound JPY also took a beating as well. If you check other pounds currency pairs, like the pounds AUD, you can see that all of them yesterday seem to have tanked, and then the Euro GBP, of course, was going to appreciate. So still investigating what happened yesterday based on pounds. Was it based on the COVID-19 numbers that seem to have increased in the UK, in Australia, in the US, Tokyo, and other parts of the world? Maybe it's affected them more. I'm not really sure, but I really need to look into that a bit some more. And then also, dollar yen has been struggling. As we said earlier, the dollar seems to have fizzled out a bit. Dollar card also same thing. And of course, the crude oil has also struggled to pick up pace. You can see what happened yesterday. It seems across board for the majors and gold, no movement whatsoever, right? And yesterday also, we can see that the gold precious metal, especially from the weekly time frame, appreciated some more, and it's now looking like a bullish hammer. But we need to wait for the close of this weekly candle today for further directional bias. Based on the hammer, most times when you have a hammer, a bullish hammer, it's for you to be using it to go long, but you also still need to pay attention to where this hammer formed, and this is what we're having now. And also from what we're having now, if you look very well, we've been having some series of lower highs, and this is something that we need to pay attention to, as the market could easily just push higher a bit and then continue and give us some more lower highs. If this happens, most definitely it will be also due to the dollar strength, right? As dollar still is strong for the week. But let's see how things go. It's a Friday. If you haven't gotten any trade this week, then do not worry. There would always be more opportunities next week. Try your best not to chase the market. Let the market come to you, right? If you have any questions, if you want us to look at any instruments of your choice or whatever the case might be, do comment in the section below, and then we'll see what we can do. It's a Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Ensure to trade safely, and goodbye for now. Thank you.